Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today I have an exciting and informative video that I would love to share with you guys. We will be talking about the LV denim collection that is coming out that I am so excited about. Before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Also, if you would like for me to review a specific bag, as long as I have it in my collection, I'll be sure to try to get that video up for you. Please email me, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Now that we got all of that stuff out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine, grab some tea, and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. I got the tea, so now let's talk LV. Guys, let's get straight into this LV denim line that is coming out, from the women's clothing line to the women's shoes, the boots, the bags, just everything. As you can see, I'm smiling. I can hardly contain myself because I am so excited about this, and it's so bomb. Oh my gosh. I know you guys are looking behind me. Yes, a change of scenery. I am downstairs in my living room. I just kind of wanted to take a break, out of my closet. So I hope this isn't, disturbing for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to change back. But let's get into it. Let's talk about the handbags first. That I am super excited, and I cannot wait to pre-order. I am going to give you product code numbers. I'm going to give you some prices. And also, I am going to leave this information in the description box just in case you guys want to pre-order and you want to reach out to your CA, or if you want to take a chance and try to catch these on the website. It's totally up to you. But let's talk about first the beautiful on-the-go tote MM. I have not heard of a GM size coming out, but this is the MM. This is my favorite size with the on-the-go tote MM. But look at this beautiful interior. It's kind of like a reverse denim that's inside. I'm not sure how the material is made or what it's made out of, but I'm hoping the beautiful microfiber material. If not, it'd probably be something like the denim material that's on the outside. Just a guess. But I am so happy but disappointed that LV chose gold hardware. On all of the denim line, it should have been silver hardware. I am a gold hardware fan. You guys know this. On my bags, as far as the hardware goes, I just feel like it just kind of throw the bag off a little bit. But again, the beautiful interior is awesome. It's like a reverse denim. The outside blue, I am a blue jean lover, so this is going to be perfect. Very beautiful bag. So as you guys can see, the on-the-go tote MM in the denim collection is coming out. This is the product code number, and this is also the price. Jot it down, take a screenshot, make sure you send this to your CA. Moving on to the beautiful Speedy 25 bandolier here. This should have been a Speedy 20. Now that we know the size and what the Speedy 20 holds, this should have been a Speedy 20, but I love Speedy 25s as well, but I am a big fan of the Speedy 20 because it holds all of my essential daily items just fine with additional room to spare. So LV, this should have been a Speedy 20, but hey, Speedy 25 will do. I absolutely love this bag. I absolutely love how it looks, minus the gold hardware, and I'm not feeling the strap. I'm not sure what else they could have done with the strap, but I'm not feeling the blue strap that's just placed on the bag, but it's not a deal breaker for me. And I'm hoping that the interior is the same interior as the on-the-go tote MM. But this Speedy 25 bandolier is beautiful. It just should have been a Speedy 20. Just imagine a Speedy 20 with this denim collection. Would have been most definitely beautiful, and an awesome purchase. And the sales most definitely would have went up now that we know what the Speedy 20 holds. Now, This is what shocked me because I'm not a big fan of the LV Petite Noir because I have two bags in my collection. I have the monogram and I also have the Demerzer, and I have not worn either bag yet. But this is beautiful. This is what the Petite Noir have been missing, and I will actually purchase this before I purchase the Speedy 25 Bandolier and the on-the-go Tote MM. This is a beautiful bag. Hopefully it comes with a top tote handle, and 9 times out of 10, the inside strap is the same as the Speedy 25B. Don't quote me on it. I'm just, just going off what I actually know about the Petite Noir bags, but this is a beautiful creation. This is very, very creative, and I am so excited about this. And of course, it should have been silver hardware, but this is a beautiful bag. 9 times out of 10, all of the denim collection will share the same interior as the on-the-go Tote MM. Let's just keep our fingers crossed because that interior is banging and it is hot. Now, let's move on to the LV Loop bag. I'm not sure how I feel about this. This is a carefree bag, but I just honestly, just like it has the 1854, the Loop collection in 1854, I just feel like it should have most definitely just stayed a monogram piece. That's just my feeling. I love the Loop bag, but this is going to be a carefree bag. So if you didn't order the monogram Loop bag because of all the vachetta, which it was treated vachetta, hey, this might be a better option for you. But for me, I am not looking forward to the Loop bag in denim. It's not for me. But if you guys do purchase, let me know because I'm very it's 50-50. It's 50-50. So if you guys purchase, please make sure you let me know. Reach out to me on Instagram because I am very curious on how this bag is going to look in person. And I don't know. Like I said, I'm just not feeling the Loop bag in the denim collection. There is this beautiful COUSSIN PM in the denim collection that's coming out. Very creative, very different. I'm not a COUSSIN PM fan. The only COUSSINs that I actually thought were beautiful were the cream, the pink, and the black. They've come out with all kinds of colors now, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This COUSSIN PM is beautiful, and I actually want to know how the interior looks inside. And so the strap is different. So if you guys do have the multi-pochette, this is a different strap. I'm not sure how this blue jean look, but we've been asking for different straps. So it is going to be a different strap to add to your collection if you are interested in the COUSSIN PM. I just feel like it is a beautiful bag. It's something different, but I'm not a big COUSSIN PM fan, so I will pass on the COUSSIN PM. I just wanted to show you guys, but this is very beautiful. It's the color. I love the denim blue color. I just think it's a beautiful bag, something different. So let me know if you are a COUSSIN PM fan, if this is something that you guys are looking to purchase. I will have the product code number and the price in the description box as well. Okay, now let's move on to this pink denim, the Speedy. They most definitely let me down with this. This is going to be a NANO Speedy. So it's not going to be a Speedy 20. It's not as of right now. I haven't heard anything, but if anything comes up, I will update. I will give an updated video. As of right now, I've only heard even from my CA. This is going to be a NANO Speedy, meaning it's going to be smaller than the Speedy 20. I have the NANO Speedy, and it doesn't even hold my phone, but it does hold my essentials, items like my lip chap, lip gloss, and things of that nature. But as far as putting a lot in there, this is going to be a small cross body with pink, it's going to be pink denim with gold hardware. So again, this is not a Speedy 20. The picture on Instagram that I've seen floating around, it does appear to be a Speedy 20, but it is a NANO Speedy, which is very small. It is smaller than the Speedy 20. Okay. Also, this is not a mini pochette. This is a micro pochette, meaning it is smaller than the mini pochette. You guys know I am a pink lover. I'm just torn right now. I'm very, very torn until I see something else in the pink denim collection come out. These two items, I'm just not looking at right now. And I love pink. I love pink, but that Speedy should have most definitely been a Speedy 20. I even would have took it in a Speedy 25, but a Nano Speedy, LV most definitely dropped the ball on that. And also, this should have been a mini pochette, not a micro pochette. But like I said, it's still kind of early. These are only the pictures that have been floating around. So guys, if it's something that I'm missing, let me know. I will leave the product code numbers. Like I said, I will leave the prices so you guys just so you guys can get like a little review before going to pre-order, just so you know what you're working with, what you need to save up so you can purchase these beautiful, beautiful items that's coming out. Guys, I am so upset about this gold hardware. I'm so upset, but hey, it is what it is. I'm still going to purchase it. It's not a deal breaker, but it most definitely would have been a 10 on all of these bags from the denim collection. Also, I heard that a few wallets are coming out. The Sarah wallet that's coming out. Also, they are coming out with a beautiful speed denim bag charm that is so cute. They came out with one that for some reason I just didn't pay attention to, so I missed out on that. I'm pretty sure if I let my CA know, she will go out and try to find it. I love my CA, but I am not going to miss out on this blue denim speedy bag charm. It is just so cute. But guys, I am so excited. Let me know how you feel. As of right now, they just released the women denim clothing line, and these shorts, they are so cute. I can most definitely see myself with them and also carrying one of the denim bags from the denim collection. So my eye is on these denim shorts. Let me know what you guys think. I do have issues with ordering from LV because of my bottom area. I don't know. Sometimes it's hit or miss, but I am most definitely going to reach out to my CA because I want these denim shorts. I also want this dress, and also this sweater is so cute. So guys, the women denim clothing line is going to be banging. We do not need to miss any of these items at all. So start writing these things down. Take screenshots, guys. Pay attention. Pay attention because it is launching December 31st. We do not need to miss any of this denim collection that's coming out from LV because it's going to be hot and it's going to be hard to get. LV, thank you. Finally, because I honestly thought I was done for a while. No, not done, but I kind of slowed down with ordering because I just feel like nothing is just coming out that catch my attention like that, except for the Lou bag and the Speedy 20. Beautiful monogram pieces. I'm still waiting on the reverse monogram in a Neverfull and a mini pochette. I'm needing LV to really get that going. So guys, let me know how you feel. Like I said, this is going to be an informative video because I have to warn you guys. Anything that I know that's hot, that's coming out, is going to be hard to get. I'm most definitely going to share with my family, my YouTube family. So guys, try to find a CA. Go into an LV boutique. You have to build that relationship. You can't just automatically go in and feel like you have a CA because you speak and you talk to them. You have to order. You have to order. If you're going on the website and you're banned from the website, that means you're ordering too much. Find a CA. Find a CA to where you can skip past that. You don't have to worry about trying to catch these items on the website. Your CA can pre-order and you will be guaranteed to have these items. No pressure. You're not stressing, trying to stay up, try to find these things on the website. You have to build a relationship. If you're really an LV fan and you really love carrying LV, and hey, it's just that simple. It's just that simple. You have to order from LV. You have to build that relationship with the CA. So go in there, and if they come up to you, they're very inviting. That's usually how it starts, and that's how I met my CA. And so you guys would just have this spark, this relationship, and I mean, it would just hit right off the bat. You would know who you're dealing with. I hear so many issues, so many stories about people in their CA, and I absolutely love and adore my CA. So try to build that relationship. Stop ordering online, getting banned, and you can just actually, you know, have a CA that you order through. And some of you guys live far away from the LV boutiques, and I really, really hate that. So you actually have no choice but to order online. But I'm pretty sure a friend, reach out to someone that has a CA. If you're in the same state as someone, reach out to them. You have to communicate and try to, you know, get that out there. That's the only way for you to find out. So I hope this video was very informative, guys. I can't wait, and I already know it's going to be a banging unboxing that I am going to share with you guys here soon. So let me know in the comments what you feel, what you think, what items you're looking at. We are still waiting to see what pink denim items are coming out. I am hoping that they come out with a Speedy 20 or a Speedy 25 bandolier in the pink denim. As of right now, I have not received any information on that. But as always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye-bye.